the objectives with which we built the website, which was to create an information clearinghouse for all the legal information and policy information that relates to African Union organs. We hope that it will be useful for CSOs because it will empower them to engage with the African Governance Platform organs using authoritative texts and guidelines. And all of our information is free to use and free to reuse in accordance with the Open Law Africa movement.
The data is important because in any research, a lot of times you want to know the extent of the rights violations. And sometimes you need the data to be able to tell that. In the absence of information, that becomes difficult to tell.
It's an interesting conversation. I like that discussion on COVID and human rights. The idea of scorecards on human rights issues, it's new for me. We'd always do scorecards on like health systems and all that. That's easy. You know, there are very clear things to ask for. So it's interesting to think about a scorecard on human rights performance standards, and I am looking forward to seeing the others. I hope it's not just about, you know, did you pass a new law, but more about the practice. So I'm excited about that. The African Lee website with all the materials from the African Union, the legislation, the decisions of the courts and tribunals on human rights issues. I went and I checked through it, and it has things as recent as September of 2022, which is shocking and also very nice to see. So it makes research a lot easier to have all that information in the same place, very easily searchable.